Alright, this is how to make the hooks and the transfer ducts. So these angles are all based on FOS. And right here is how I make my hook. So this is the original transfer angle. And it comes out this way. I have it extended out 9 millimeters. You can change it to whatever you want. And then just a line that connects the end of this hook to the end of the transfer duct here. And then you have your port shape. So what I start by doing is I revolve it. Make sure you don't project the axis. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay. So I just do it right to the end of that line there. And then over to split body. I drew it as one piece, so I'm gonna have it plane at angle here, and then another one here, and another one here. So you have all your planes set up. I'm gonna split this body with this plane here, just making the duct straight until we add on the hook later. So there's those. Now we have our duct shape. Now what I do is I do an offset plane up to the bottom of my transfer duct or transfer port. So I just did 100 millimeter bore, and I did the transfer ducts 60 millimeters, or transfer ports 60 millimeters up. So this will be the bottom of my port right here. Don't worry about all these planes. I was trying something out. So then create a sketch on the face of this part, on the face of that body. I project this point and this line, and then I go over from this bottom point to here. And then that measurement you need to keep in mind, because that's important for what we're about to do. So then you can come back here and make a sketch here, and then just project this point for now. Bring it over the distance that we just came up with. Oh, that's not what I meant to press. And then you can see it lines up with the back of that there. Then I project this point and this point. I come over the top here, and I connect them. Cool. So now you have the shape of your hook. gotta make it complete. So just connect them like that. Cool. Alright. Now you have your shape of your hook complete. You extrude it by the height of the transfer port. Mine was 18 millimeters, so make sure this is a new body. If you click join, you're gonna have trouble. So then you go over to surface, you hit revolve on the outline of your transfer duct. And then just leave it so it's a little bit in front of the hook there. And then split body, we'll split the hook with the kind of shell we just made. And then delete that. You can also get rid of that here. And then come over here to revolve. And it'll just be this side here. And then for the axis, you want this bottom line to be this one. And then kind of cover that hook up like that. Don't join it. Just make another body. Alright. And then those planes that we made earlier. We gotta turn those on. And then split body. Do that again. These aren't going to be perfect for everyone's application. This is just how I've done them. And it seemed to work pretty well for me. But, yeah. So now I'm going to come back over here. I don't know why I deleted the revolve I had of the surface, but you still need that. And then you do split body again. That body. And get rid of that top piece there. Cool. So now you have your duct shape and the hook you wanted. What I do is I take the fillet tool and put a hefty champ or fillet on this one. 100 millimeters, that's fine. And then this here, I put a good fillet on. So it's kind of all choice, but that's where I like to leave it. And then for putting the curves or the fillets on the corners of your transfer ports, what you do is you combine these two, make it all one. Just do these these edges here. And that is how you make the B port or the B duct with the transfer hook. Actually, here, I will show you it in an actual cylinder. I don't know how well this is going to load. It's about 500 bodies. But here's the cylinder I've been working on. You can see it's got that kind of hook shape in the B duct there. But yeah, that's that.